In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I went from broke in the UK, right, to having no money, literally making around 2 grand a month, to now being rich in Dubai, right? And I'm going to break down my story just so you guys understand exactly how I completely transformed my life. Like, I can't even explain to you how broke I was in the UK, where I had no money, life was difficult, and I was working for someone else, right? I think that was probably one of the biggest drawbacks. Now I live here in Dubai, I make well over 6 figures a year, right? And life is comfortable. And now people hire me to help them start their own online business that can generate thousands and thousands of dollars all online. And in today's video, I'm going to basically talk to you guys about my story, literally how I went from being dead broke, having no money, working for someone else, having no freedom, right? To now living in Dubai, financial freedom, traveling the world, can do whatever I want, and don't have a boss, don't have to listen to anyone else, retired my wife, I've got a swimming pool in my balcony. Like, life has completely changed. So the way everything started, guys, was I was in the UK working my 9-to-5 job. I started off in Argos, right? And in Argos, I was working as a customer service assistant. This was my first job, basically. And whilst I was doing this job, I realized very quickly that I do not want to do a 9-to-5 job for long, right? Now, I might even put up a picture so you guys can see what I look like working for Argos. And even though I'm smiling in this picture, trust me, I was really, really depressed. I was really, I used to hate going into work, especially when we had deliveries, because, guys, I used to work, right, at 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. I can't remember what time it was, but I'd pull up to work 6 a.m., 7 a.m. We'd have deliveries, right? So we'd have cages, like I think about 10, 15 cages full of products that we would have to receive. Now, if you guys know what the UK is like, if maybe you're watching this from the UK, maybe not now, I know there's a heat wave right now, but at the time, it was so cold because it was in winter. It was freezing cold. Like, they never used to give us gloves. And we'd have to receive these cages, right? Heavy cages from these lorries. We'd have to drag them. They wouldn't move. A lot of physical labor required. My hands, I remember my hands were frozen, right? When I was trying to bring them in, I was like, it was really difficult. It used to rain as well on top of that. And I was like, yeah, I can't keep working a 9-to-5 job, right? Now, like most people, I said that. But what did I do? I continued working my 9-to-5 job. So after that, I was like, okay, cool. I focused more on my studies at the time because that's what I was told. I was always told, focus on school, focus on university, focus on all these things, right? Because, that's going to give you a good job and that's going to make you so much money and that's going to make you so happy, right? That's what I was told my whole life. So that's what I did. So I quit Argos. I then decided to go full on my studies, right? Because I got like 3 U's in my first year of A-levels, which wasn't good. And so I had to retake a year. Did my A-levels, whatever, didn't get good grades, but got what I got. And then I got into university, right? And I don't know how I got into university, by the way. My grades were terrible. But yeah, in the end, I got an unconditional offer to go to university. Now, just before I continue the story, guys, a quick one. If you do need any help starting an online business, right, that can generate you well over 10K a month, where you basically leverage one of your own skills and sell it to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. So I went to university and got my degree. Now, in the middle of that, first I started working for World Duty Free, right? Now, World Duty Free was me working in warehouses. It wasn't at the airport, it was actually in the warehouses where we had to pack like, little products and perfume bottles and all that kind of stuff in these little tote boxes and then send them off, right? And guys, this job, I can't explain to you how depressing this job was. I remember going into work, right? And it was night shifts as well on top of that. You're not allowed to speak to anyone. There's no windows, right? The radio's playing 24/7 to the point some of the songs that I used to hear on the radio back then, when I hear it now, it gives me flashbacks. Like, it's that crazy. So that job was so depressing that someone committed suicide at work. Now, this guy, I only met him once or twice. I mean, that kind of affected me a little bit because I was like, I actually knew this guy. That was probably the only time I kind of like saw someone and kind of spoke to him, and he was really nice. And then he committed suicide at work and no one really knows why. I think he had financial troubles, but the workplace itself did not help, right? Guys, it was very depressing. So obviously I was doing this job for a while and I just did it because the money was good. So I did that job. Then whilst I was at university, I joined Sky, right? And I joined as a sales advisor. So I was on the phone, basically a call center. And guys, this job, probably one of the worst ones as well. You're constantly talking to customers. The management's on your case. You need to, speak to customers. You can't just like, take breaks after that. Like, you have to be, one call after another. You can't stop. They were so big on productivity and all this crap. There was so much work politics. Like, the managers would outright do things that were completely wrong, but people would listen to them just because they're managers, right? Or even the higher up managers would do things that were wrong, but the managers would suck up to them. Why? Because they don't want to lose their job. They don't want to be put in a position where, they can't be considered to, move up. This is how toxic a 9-to-5 job can be, right? And I did not want to be a part of that. So anyway, as I said, I got my university degree, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to try and apply for another role within Sky. So I tried to apply for a media operator role, right? Now, the media operator role, I guess you could say, was like kind of my dream. Went into that role. Again, I was there for about a year and a half. This made me realize I cannot continue doing this, right? So I took a big risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved straight to Dubai, right? I had no backup plan. I had nothing lined up. All I had was a dream. All I had was self-belief. And all I had was a little bit of online income, nothing crazy, like £500, maybe £1,000 a month, but it wasn't enough to survive on, of course, right? And bear in mind, I moved to Dubai with my wife as well, so it was even more hard. So yeah, when I arrived to Dubai, guys, this is where it got really difficult as well, right? Because you can imagine, I had no money, I was in Dubai, I only had 3 months or 2 months of stay, even that, I had to do kind of visa runs in the process. It was very, very difficult. And I was applying for jobs. My thinking was, let me apply for jobs, right? And then I will work on my online business alongside that, because I do need some money to survive. Guys, I applied for so many jobs, right? They all rejected me, or I got close with some of them, but then I didn't get through to the end. So yeah, overall, nothing happened for me at that time, right? I tried absolutely everything, and it was kind of like a sign from God. And he was basically telling me, you know what? You're not going to work a 9-to-5 job anymore. Your 9-to-5 job days are done, right? So I just wasn't able to get any jobs. So then I thought, you know what? I need to make money because I have to survive. I'm here in Dubai. I've got no other ways of making money. Let me just go full in on my online business, right? And I did. I went full in on my online business, right? Started generating some decent amount of money, but I was doing YouTube full time at the time. So I was making money through sponsors. They would pay me like £400 or £500 a video. I would only make about £3,000 a month, give or take. I couldn't really scale, right? Because with that, it was basically like another 9-to-5 job. Rather than having one boss, now I had several bosses, right? So I was like, you know what, scrap all of that. I'm going to start my own coaching business. And I had a little bit of experience on it before because I had some friends that did it. But I still myself did not know how to set one up. I did not know how to sell it. I did not know how to package my skill. So what do? Well, I actually had a guy that messaged me, right? And I kind of ignored it. And then I kind of saw his YouTube channel, watched some of his videos. Then I booked in a call with him. Anyway, long story short, I signed this guy as my mentor, right? Because the little bit of money that I had, I kind of poured it into him because he was going to help me start my own online coaching business. So I paid him the money that was required. He mentored me, right, for approximately 3 months. However, within the first month of doing that, I made 10 grand. Guys, 10 grand was made within the first month of my coaching business. This showed me what's possible, what I can actually achieve, and where I can actually end up going, right? So that's when I went full on the business. And now I make well over 6 figures a year. Life is amazing. I have financial freedom. I get to travel wherever I want to go. I can literally go anywhere and work, right? I'm not tied down to any geographical location. I can do whatever it is that I want. Now, just a quick one, guys. If you are interested in starting your own online coaching business, which I like to call the one skill consulting business model, where you can sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, and you want someone that can help you on a one-to-one basis start this business, well, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. But guys, the lesson in this story, right, is that I had basically no chance of making it out. I remember when I was talking about my online business to people, people laughed at my dreams, people laughed at me even moving to Dubai. They're like, oh, he's gonna come back in 3 months. People laughed at me throughout the whole process, right? But the only thing that kept me going, obviously I had my wife's support, but the only other thing that kept me going was my self-belief. The belief I had in myself, right, topped all of that because I knew what was possible. I used to be at work watching other people live the life that I'm living right now in Dubai or in Bali or in other places, right? And I used to look at that and I used to look at the people around me and I used to think, all of these people are making money online, living their life, X, Y, and Z, and here I am at work. No disrespect to the people I work with, but I was looking at the people I work with who I would like to call in zombie mode, right? Just getting work done for their boss. And I'm like, I'm here with these guys working for someone else, making about $2,000 a month. I was like, surely life's got to be easier than that. Surely there's more to it than that. So it was at that moment, I was like, I have to quit. I have to, get in a position where I can't keep doing this, right? If I want different results, I have to do something different. Like if I follow the people that are around me, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to be like the people around me. If I follow the people that are making money, living in Dubai, or doing what they're doing, I'm going to be like those people. And look, I invested in myself. I hired a mentor that is doing what I'm doing, and now I'm living a life like him, right? Like, it's crazy. You guys need to do the same thing. You need to hire a mentor that knows exactly what they're talking about, and you need to hire someone that is living the life that you want to live, and you will live the same life. It's as simple as that. Guys, as I said, I have single-handedly changed my life. I went from being broke in the UK to now living an amazing life here in Dubai. And all of this happened because I took a chance on myself. All of this happened because I took risk. All of this happened because I invested in myself. All of this happened because I took action. Now, if you guys are watching this video and you've gotten this far, right, there is no coincidence. If you've gotten this far, it is a sign that you need to make a change. You need to change your life. You need to be in a position where you can actually make ridiculous amounts of money. You can travel the world. You can live in the location that you want to live in. You can make well over 6 figures a year. Because guys, it is possible. The person that is watching this video, you could do it. I've got a 16-year-old client that's making around 5 grand a month from this coaching business. I've got a 21-year-old client that's making 25 grand a month. I've had several clients make thousands of dollars all online. Guys, it is so simple. A lot of you guys can do it, but the only thing stopping you from getting there is taking action. And guys, do not just take blind action, right? This is why investing in yourself and hiring a mentor is super important, because a mentor is going to show you how to get from point A to B, rather than you going from A, and then going left and right, and you don't know where you're going, right? The worst thing is taking action without knowing the destination. This is why a mentor will basically show you the full roadmap so you know exactly where to go and how to get there. And that's why it's never been a better time to invest in yourself and hire a mentor who can teach you the right skills to make money. Now again, guys, if you do need any help where I can work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.